Oh my god.
Our bride. Oh my god. Oh, you know it. Sorry. I've been using some fusions, you know.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. It's your boy Louis. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Nominee Artistry, you can look her up on Instagram. Her wedding is tomorrow and I'm privileged to be styling her hair for her wedding. So I'm packed. I'll be living with Tamara and we're going to have fun. Like, we're going to have mad fun. Some of our friends are coming in to Owerri from Port Harcourt and I can't wait to meet everyone. So guys, I'll be taking you guys around this whole thing so you can, you know, have fun and enjoy just the way we're going to enjoy it. So stick on or stay tuned and follow us while we go. Are in Abia, so we're heading this way to Owerri. Can't be vlogging and not showing them that the road is actually blocked. So just stopped here. Shins, bottles of all of my favorite thing.
Oh my god.
Our bride. Oh my god. Oh, you know it. Sorry.
No, that's not the road.
No, this guy.
Come take your phone.
How you guys doing? Like this. I've been using some fusions, you know, compared to the last time.
You can follow me upstairs.
I'll follow you down.
The light is going to be on. Yeah, your room is so nice.
Hi guys, so I just got to the room. This bed is so comfortable, just like, oh my god, it's hard. Well, I'm glad I have a space here where I, you know, can walk for the night. And over here is the bathroom, guys. This is beautiful. And that's the shower. And over here is the wardrobe. Guys, I am headed to a barber shop to go cut my hair. Well, I got a frontal, my bride got a frontal rather, so it came in black, so I'm just trying to do a bleach bath so it can blend with the one I have here. It's already changing. My tripod is actually inside the room. So I'm just going to leave this for like 5 minutes and then come back for it because I really wanted to like leave it very well. Hi guys, so I'm ready for the first session this morning, which is for hair and makeup, and I am actually keeping it simple. So I'm actually in my gym wear, so I just wanted to look really simple this morning. Then during the day we're going to blast it. So I'll be taking you guys like around this whole thing so you can see it. So.
Hey boo! Congratulations! Thank you!
And one is that and they call am food sef.
I'll put it on. Please?
I have to see the name. God bless you. Wait, come on. Thank you. Wait, roll.
Baby, yeah, today's for you, man.
Look here, brother. Right on.
Make sure you don't fight past me. Okay, I should come close.
Hi guys, oh my god, I I just wish today would never end because we all had fun. And Song is a very strong perfume rather, and I've been reacting to the perfume like my nose has been all itchy, and trust me, it's not corona. But I don't know. But I sure had fun. I just wished I was able to like get footage of every single thing that happened, but I was just caught up. I was having fun, but trust me, guys, next time when I'm going on this kind of trip, I'm going to like film everything so you guys can also watch and enjoy. So I'm just gonna go to bed now. I'm not have my bath because I'm so tired. So in the morning, we're leaving very early. I can't wait for Tamara to call me. Leave! Are you ready? So we're definitely going to leave very early, and I'll pack up in the morning. So I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. Can we go back?